I appreciate that, and I very much acknowledge your work.
Uh,
It is very much lively and very much friendly. Your blogs and YouTube videos. It really helps when you are trying to establish your career and start a journey and look for something professional out there, because there are a lot of content, but it really does help your videos and your blogs. It's a very good
Thanks.
platform to jump in and search for some
In,
information.
in when I started that at that time, like my thought was that like whatever is in my mind, just write it. Okay. Then I thought that okay, making actually I am not a very camera friendly person. Okay. So I thought it to just mean start make I have started making the videos, but I am still more comfortable in writing. Okay, so Anmol, let's start this with your intro, what you are doing right now, and like what is your supply chain journey. Okay, so that after
Mhm.
that we will start your queries on the CSCP certification. Okay,
Mhm. Right.
yeah.
Uh, Thank you for inviting me here, and I'm very thankful today for joining with you. My name is Anmol Kumar Singh, and I am a 2017 graduate. I
Mhm.
have been in supply chain career, a short career rather. I have been 4 years in a role of procurement and procurement engineer, buyer. Mainly on the purchase side, where you have to manage entities outside, you can say, stakeholders. That there is an
Okay.
internal supply chain which is taken care by other department, but generally when it comes to spending and the cash flow which is to be
Mhm.
maintained, we deal in the outside stakeholders part. And we buy materials, we buy equipments, we buy um, services, we do contracts, we do a lot of other stuffs
Okay.
related to procurement. So
Okay.
my profile, as I told you, is it's procurement majorly.
Mhm.
And starting on my journey, there are other areas of supply chain which I would like to explore and get into.
Mhm.
So I just thought to connect
So
with
you
some
are you
guys.
are you are a tech graduate or non-tech graduate?
Yes, I am a tech graduate. I have done my chemical engineering
Mhm.
in 2017. I've passed out with I think distinction. I do not remember because
Okay.
grades doesn't matter now. You have to be very much professional and goal oriented now. So classroom is one thing and professional
Yeah,
journey is
yeah,
other.
yeah, yeah. So why you thought about the CSCP only? Because like if you are doing means according to your job profile right now, you can opt for other certification also, like CPIM is also one of that, like that match maximum to your role what you are doing. So why CSCP?
See, very good question. I have also had the same query for about 1 or 2 months, and I
Mhm.
was trying to figure out an answer. So, the certified supply chain professional, this certification is different from CPIM.
Mhm.
CSCP is an overall broader
Broader
prospective
prospects of
certification.
supply chain instead of
Yes.
concentrating on inventory management.
So when I see myself, I have just started and began my journey right now in supply chain. I'm not, a kind
Mhm.
of person who is like, I will narrow down my focus to this only. I
Mhm.
just want to explore the broader perspective and get to know about the fine instruments there within supply chain. Like there's inventory management, there's demand planning, forecasting, there are a lot of stuff. But
Mhm.
when you choose CPIM, it is a focused and very concentrated certification. So
Mhm.
starting out my career, I wanted to explore this because it lays down the foundation quite well. So CSCP is the right certification for me. When I searched, I got a result.
Okay, so let me introduce now myself. So yeah, this side Abhishek Sadasiv. I am having around 11, 12 year experience. Okay, In I started my career. I am non-tech graduate. Okay, I am a BCom guy. BCom honors I had done.
No worries.
So I have started my career with accounts and finance. Okay, and later on, means after doing that job for 1.5 year, came to know about a company that was in some shipping business. Okay, and that was one of the big shipping giant. I didn't know at that time, but when I joined that organization, I came to know about that was CSAB. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and from there the supply chain worms has bitten me, and it has started from there. So now I am a member of Epix ASCM, and I am a member of CILT, that is Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transportation. So on the
Mm-hmm.
Epic side, my certification is CLTD. Okay, and from this side, from CILT, I have done the International Diploma in Transportation and Logistics. So this is all. Apart from that, why I did started my blog. So as I said that means this is just to, like I said, my logo on the blog is sharing supply chain. Okay, so what the knowledge you have, okay, it is better to keep, not to keep in your mind, but to share with others. Okay, because of that I have started this. And when you are a member of Epix, okay, then you know much inner side of the Epix than the person who is out there. Okay, so because of that, I know something, I have collected some information and start writing on that, and now I am with you. So yeah, now your question on CSCP.
Um, Questions. I have a few questions about CSCP. First of all, we are Indians and we are very much out of budget, and to be starting with. Um, so generally on the monetary prospects, like let's see what is the investment and what is the return on investment. So I would
Okay.
like to pose this question to you,
Okay.
very direct and
No,
very
no,
to
no.
the point.
This is one of the question that should be, because like that this certification doesn't come in like the thousand. So here I will go with the beginning. Okay, here in India there are two channel partners of Epix. Okay, one is the Physics Business Center, that is in Chennai. Okay, and another is Novarex, that is in Mumbai. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so if you don't go with the channel partners and go directly with Epix, that will cost you little more. Okay, that will cost you around more than 1,33,000, something like that. Okay, but if you will go with the channel partners, it might reduce some 10-12,000. Means that much, but means the cost of CSCP, okay, is around 110 to 130. Okay, either you choose channel partner or you go direct with the ASCM. So this is the cost part, and like the result, if we talk about that is in India, it is not very encouraging, man. So because, and there is a reason behind that. The reason behind that is the, like, now the hiring managers are not much updated. Means some of the hiring managers of the blue chip companies and bigger companies, they know about that. Okay, that there is a this ASCM is an organization which gives the certification on supply chain part. But some of the companies, okay, they are not aware. Okay, so but what matters is your knowledge. Okay, like, mean you get entry in that organization and you show your knowledge and skills to them, and at that time, like mean that from there you could expect a monetary growth in terms of appraisals and hikes. Okay, but at the starting point, when you are entering any organization or mediocre organization, they generally do not know about this certification much. Okay, and
Right.
basically in India, the HR guys are not so aware about these certifications. Okay,
Right.
and sometimes your manager also didn't know much about this certification. So these things are still a hurdle. Okay, but but if you have done the certification and you entered after that, then you have some special skills than the other people. Okay, because
Right.
I read the whole, means in CITD you have a 9 slots of book. Okay, you have 9 books, you have to read that. So in that books, what I wrote means I means I have a list of, I mean, I couldn't show, but I have a list of 20, 30 books of supply chain. Okay. And
Great.
in that is physical, and apart from that is like on my in Google Drive and everywhere I have a lot of books. So but what you will read with the epics books, that means that is hard to find. Okay, basically in India I'm talking about. If
Okay.
you read any foreign writer, then that is different thing, but in India, because they start with a root, okay, means, and they after that they build the whole tree on over that. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
on the knowledge base, that is supreme, that is excellent. Okay, but if in the
Mm-hmm.
monetary factor you are looking for that, okay, if I invest 1,10,000 or 1,20,000, then what I am getting back, so that is hard right now. But that is only till your entry. Okay, once you entered any organization and show your skills and show your capacity, show your knowledge, then obviously then there should be a good hike. I got that because of that, so I am saying you.
Mm-hmm. Definitely, I really appreciate it. And I was just about thinking about it, and a lot of it
Oh, one
depends
more thing,
upon.
I will interrupt you. Like if you try for the Middle East, okay, in the
Mm-hmm.
Middle East section, they are aware about that. Okay, some of the in European countries they are aware about that, and obviously US that certification is US based, so US people know about that. So like
Mm-hmm.
if your hiring manager is based in US and they are hiring in India, so they are aware about these certifications. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because how I got the epics, that is also a story. My one of the VP operation, he has guided me to do that. Okay,
Great. Yes.
he is US based. Okay, and he is aware about that certification. He told me, Abhishek, you should do this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so he guided me to do that. So in US, people know that. So like if any US based company, or if your hiring manager is based in US, then they are aware about that. Okay, and in the Middle East
Mm-hmm.
also, people know
Right.
about the certification.
I also work for ExxonMobil and other companies current in my current profile. So I was also encouraged by my seniors to,
Mhm.
try for certifications, and I stumbled upon many certifications.
Mhm.
But the CSCP and APEX body, I feel that they had a rigorous kind of, understanding about it, and they have developed these courses over the
Yes, yes,
years.
yes.
It is very much established, and if you want to grow professionally, then you have to have these one of these certifications and start your journey. Keep rolling, keep looking for companies which you want to target or you want to see as a professional, which they are growing, because after the certification it is very obvious that you will not be joining any smaller scale companies, you will be targeting for bigger companies.
Yes, yeah. So
Right.
like if I talk about the study materials, okay, they are supreme type of study materials what they have developed. Okay, the course material what they provide, that gives you the basic, starting from the basic knowledge, something like you will figure out that something you do not know, okay, about that thing, and now when you are reading those books, you got aware about these things. Okay, and in the monetary prospects, I will tell you, like if you go for any certification now, the good certifications, okay, that will cost you around of either, like I came to know about one of the certification from IIT Delhi. Okay, and they are also providing something like the certification on the supply chain management, and I figure out, I check the cost of that is around 72 73,000. Okay, so
Yes.
so now the thing is that, like every certification cost around that. Okay, some this is might be on a higher side, but yeah, some certification might be around 70,000 80,000, or nowadays, like the IIM executive certification, there is a lot of website which has came up with that. Okay, so on those websites also, if you will check the certification cost, actually did those the year count is more. Okay, like you have to study 1 year for that. But yeah, that is also cost around the same 1,25,000, 1,30,000 plus GST and all those.
Yes, yes. To means, summarize it, I would say yes. there are a lot of certifications out in the market, and it generally costs you around 80,000 to around 2 lakhs. These
Mhm.
professional certifications which are outside India, they around cost you around 1 lakh 20 to 2 lakh rupees.
True.
And within India, I have found many courses on analytics and supply chain data analytics. They
Mhm.
cost you around 1 lakh 40,000. So मेरा दोस्त एक चीज बोलता था, आई टॉक इन हिंदी फॉर अ लिटिल बिट.
Mhm.
he told me, भाई तुम पैसे दोगे पहले अपनी प्रोफेशनल जर्नी में, तब तुम्हें पैसे मिलेंगे. You
बिल्कुल,
have to upgrade yourself, then
बिल्कुल.
only you can be valuable asset to the company. Then the company will also invest you and give you further more opportunities and growth. So I will ask you another part, like
Mhm.
about the studying, about the preparation.
Mhm.
How is the study material like? Is it a lot of jargons in it, or is it a lot of theory part, or how is it like, how to go on and prepare
Okay,
for this
okay, okay.
certifications? I think it takes roughly around 6 months for an average learner to really get hold of this certification, right?
Uh,
That's what I have thought and listened. I
yeah,
may be
so
totally wrong.
not exactly 6 months. If you are working professional, it takes some more time. Okay, means
Hmm.
add 3 more months. Okay.
Okay.
So if you will ask me about how to study, because yeah, there is a lot of theory parts. Okay, it is not, but when you appear for the exam, the theory doesn't come there. Okay.
That
So
is the irony.
yes, like when you are studying, then yes, there is a lot of theory part you have to, and the average time is like me for me it was a 2 hour study every day. Okay, means apart from the weekend. Okay, I used to study 2 hour every day, and like for theory you need to revise a lot for to keep them in mind, and yeah, for they also prefer when you take the CSCP, the whole bundle. Okay, they will give you the mock test, practice test. Okay, on every section what you will read. So in that mock test or practice test, what you will find that like whatever theory you have read or studied, the practical questions over those theory. Okay,
Okay.
there would be one two theoretical question, okay, but the practical questions are more, okay. Like if I talk about let take any if I talk about there is one thing in the logistic, that is bill of lading, okay. So
Yeah.
in the bill of lading, they will not ask something like that. Okay, this is the definition of bill of lading, and these are the four options. No, never. They didn't ask that in that way.
A practical world. Yes.
They will ask how you will use that bill of lading. Okay, or like if your consignment is stuck, which is your important document out of that. Okay, and then they will
Right.
go option, and then we are okay. Then that option is bill of lading. So these types of questions. So
Great, great. Really practical and useful.
yes. So, and the second thing is that there is a theory about the epics, that whatever study material they provide, they do not ask any question from that study material.
That is
Direct.
a bonus tip I read on your blog.
Yes. So that is that direct. They didn't never ask direct question. So whenever you have a time, why I'm saying plus 3 months is because of that. Go for the reference books. Okay, what they advise you to read. Okay, because there you will find a lot of direct question from that books. Okay,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
so like if you are reading something, then it means take a reference of anything. Like if you are reading the basic definition of supply chain, okay, then go for those reference books, that what those reference books say for that particular definition. Okay, then you will find that the question might come up from those reference book, not from your study material. So
Great.
this is one of the things that I find out, okay, when I was appearing for that.
It is to be noted. Yes, I will take a note of that.
Yeah, keep it plus means once finish the whole study material in once, okay, go for another revision. And on the revision section, when you are revising, go for the reference book along with those revisions, okay, so that you will get a clear idea and some concept you will get adopted, that okay, this might could come.
Great. Okay. I'll keep that in mind. And coming to not taking the direct route, I mean to say not going through Apex directly and not going through their channel partners, can
Mm.
we study like take the materials
I
from
I
one
have
of the
studied I have studied I have studied it all alone. Okay.
uh
Why I am saying the channel partner, some channel partners are those types, like they will provide you the all the materials. Okay. And you have to say there is a program I didn't forgot, that self-led learning. Okay. That,
self-learning?
yeah, so they will provide you all the books and all the materials. Okay. And they provide you a website. Okay, on which you can practice those test online test. And after that, like once you there is a final test of 80%. Okay, that is another part, we will keep it. So they will give you all the materials, and that's all their job. And like there is those channel partner also provide you the trainings for that. Okay, the one-to-one trainings. Okay, for that
Uh-huh.
they charge it extra. Okay.
Yes, I have just the figures for your viewers. I have the figures right now. I inquired it about CSCP in from Novarex, and
Okay.
they told me that the self-learning module will cost you around 155,
Okay.
155, 1,55,000,
Okay.
and the instructor course will cost you around 195, 1,95,000
So there,
approx.
yeah.
So
So,
it is from the channel
then,
partners,
yeah. So
and
then,
direct from the ASCM, it is costing around 1 lakh 30 40, for the
yeah.
self learning. So
Mhm.
I thought it is better to go this way,
See,
2100
for
dollars
us, the people who is already working in the supply chain segments, okay, for them it is better to be a self-learning instead of instructor-led learning, because now then you will adopt a lot of new things. It is
Yes,
better to be on your basic concept and start your journey from there instead of getting a new concept adopted. Okay,
right, right.
so that is one of the thing. And like Novarix are not providing anything else like a second chance or something like that, because they
Yes,
generally they
they
are
are providing one retake.
yes, so that is one of the catch. Okay, because they generally provide it. Okay, and like I don't know remember the right figure right now, but it cost around something like, if you fail in once, okay, then for the second times you have to pay some. I don't remember the exact cost, but you have to pay for the another chance if you are going directly with ASCM. Okay, so that is one of the thing where in Novar X they will provide, but it is but here on the SCM they are providing you in 1,33,000 something, right?
Okay, yes. Novarex, they are providing for self-learning, it is around 155.
So in that 155 they are providing you like the second retake or not?
Um, they are providing second
Yeah.
retake, and only the instructor part is not there,
Yes.
but they are providing complete bundle in that.
Okay. Okay. So yeah,
So
like.
let us go to, I think we are running out of time, you
Mhm.
know.
Yeah, okay.
So let us keep the discussion forward, and I think let us discuss about the important key points in the exam, like the exam content manual, and what are the important aspects when you get that bundle, when you
Okay.
purchase the CSCP
Okay, so
certification.
the first thing is you need to get over with the ECM, that we know, exam content manual. Okay, because that ECM is the heart of the whole thing. Okay,
Mhm.
if you need, then I have the CSCP ECM. If you will ask me, I will forward it to you. Okay,
Yes,
in
yes.
that ECM, what the ECM says, like they in CSCP basically there are three books. Okay, so they have like what the epics will ask you, they have given that in percentage content. Okay, like from this book they will ask 40%, from this book they will ask 40%, from this book they will ask 20%. So this is the basic classification they have done. Okay, apart from that, like they have in the ECM, you will figure out that, like, okay, this is the topic I am reading this. Okay, where you will get this topic in your reference book. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Page numbers
so
as well.
yeah, page number. So like if you have a 600 page of reference, 600 page of book reference book, then you didn't need to go for whole 600. You could pointedly figure that out, that where I have to start reading. So that is
Right. Great.
that is one of the thing that ECM provides. And another thing you need, like if you have an idea that okay, means the examiner is going to ask 40% question from this book, then obviously you have to be more focused on that part instead of 20%. Okay.
Right. Right.
So yeah, that is one of the thing, like that
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 is
is
one of
that
the
is that is
document.
all of the thing that is provided in ECM. So if you need, I have that CSCP ECM. If you need, I will forward it to you.
Definitely, definitely. That will help.
Yeah.
Any other points like, I am talking more of CSCP because I'm more inclined to it.
Mhm.
Uh, Maybe you have given a different exam. Any further tips you would like to give, or in general, how to approach this exam and how to, apart from studying 2 hours per day, what is extra you would like to suggest apart? I have
Okay,
noted your points like
I have written,
references.
I have written this in my blog also. Like when you have started reading the books, okay, the first chapter you have started. So before that, it is better to see, means that is not available in the market, okay, but you should check for the 4 5 mock test, okay. Don't means I have one, I can give you one, okay, but so that you could get an idea that, see, the basic motto is learning, but apart from learning, the basic motto is to pass that exam.
Where I stand. Yes, and where I stand, I need to know that.
Yes.
You correctly
So
mentioned.
like once you have started reading, okay. So my advice will be that, like, start creating your own questions, okay,
Hmm.
and
Yes, I
write
read that.
and write that questions on somewhere, okay, either on your notebook or somewhere, okay, so that when you will finish that book, you have your own question bank.
Great. Yes, yes.
Okay, so that you are not, see, because the major thing is that, like, why epics is in that much hook, because like people, the things are not easily available, okay, like if you have a if you have an organization which is providing 23 mock test or 25 mock test for the ASCM, then obviously people have easy availability of that thing. Here the availability is no availability, okay, for the, especially for the mock test, okay. So what
Correct.
you need to do, you have to create your own practice test. Okay, you just read the book, read the chapter, and create your own questions. Okay, after creating your own question, when you go for revision, at that time when you go for reference book, then from reference book also you create your own question. And when you finish that whole book, okay, just go on the questions and figure that out.
Oh, wow.
That is the
That's
best
great.
way of that is the one of the best way of learning, that because we can forget theory, but the questions is still 50% will be in our mind.
Yes, because it is created by our own. So
Yes.
the questions are also our own, and answers will be
Yes.
will
Yeah.
definitely stick to our head. Definitely.
So,
I also noted that. So I'm just trying to write down here, you know, for definitions, see reference books,
yeah.
and
Yeah,
for the exam
and
content manual.
for the definitions and for the terms, which is one of the core of the supply chain. Okay, get Epic's dictionary. Okay, and in the Epic's dictionary, you will find out all the terms and how you need to read. Like in the same way, you are reading a chapter. Check the relative terms in the dictionary. Okay, and note it down.
So in the membership, I think we need to start first with the membership. After we take the membership, we get the exam content manual and the dictionary from Apex, right?
Yes. I think not dictionary, but yeah, exam content manual is for sure.
Okay, okay. So you get in bundle, you get the complete package of
Yes, in
dictionary
Monday
and
you will
exam
get a
content manual.
complete package till you appear for the exam.
Mm-hmm. Great, great. Okay. Apart from this, my question would be like the leading supply chain, or the companies which hire the most professionals from supply chain. Which sector are these? So for you
Okay,
can
so
elaborate on that.
nowadays things are changed. Okay, basically
It's
what
very rapidly changing.
yes.
Yeah.
So like in the previously what we have seen basically in the IT segment, which hire more number of employees than any other segment. Okay, so previously there are less scopes in the IT segment. Okay, for basically for the supply chain people. But now the thing is changed. Okay, they hire it and like whatever the number of IT company here in India, I'm talking about India. So that perspective, they need some supply chain manager to take care of their supply chain work, to take care of their inventory work, to take care of their logistic work. Okay, so now they have started hiring basically means on that particular segment. Okay, for the people who has experience over supply chain, they are hiring from that genre. Okay, so yeah, now
Mhm.
IT company are on a good scope right now. They are hiring supply chain people. Apart from that, in the previous genres, like they are still on the same zone. They are hiring the people.
Okay, okay. Like IT
Yes,
sector is one
yes,
of the
I will say there is a good prospect. Okay, and
Mhm.
the future is good for supply chain because like there is a lot of things happening in the world. Okay, and
Mhm.
with those changes, the supply chain the people who is having a career in supply chain, that will flourish.
Yes, I really, agree with you on this because my company has been taken over by some other company, some other organizations, and
Mhm.
corporations are going multinational. They are
Mhm.
all establishing new offices, and they are hiring a lot of professionals in this area. So I just wanted to know that apart from IT, is it like the logistics sector that requires professionals in supply chain?
Mhm.
Any other sector which we need to keep an eye on or grow our network, um, any other sector
Okay.
you would think of?
So basic core sectors are there. Those core sectors previously they have hired the supply chain professionals, and now also they are hiring. So there is no change in those core sectors. Like if we talk about the steel industry, okay, they used to hire supply chain people previously, and now also they are hiring the supply chain. So if you will ask me after IT, there would be the core sector would be the steel industry. Those higher supply chain in India, now I have seen some vacancies coming from the cement industry also. So
Mm-hmm.
they are also hiring. Pharma is also on one of the So yeah, after IT, these are the core sectors. They are hiring the supply chain professionals. Okay, and obviously they are looking for some good supply chain professional.
Mm-hmm. Great. And do you have any professional body in India? I have gone through the Ministry of Commerce and Logistics.
Mhm.
They have something, a professional course with MET
Mhm.
University. I do not know they have a tie-up or such thing, but there are many professional bodies in India which also give these kind of certifications.
There is one institution. I hope you heard Indian Institute of Material Management. Have you heard?
IIM, yes.
Yeah, so that is means that when I think in India something like epics, okay, not to that level, but yeah, basically in Indian level that fits me in my mind, okay, because I have seen their certifications, okay, and they have also a tie up with the some of the foreign institutions, okay, so they provide the certification for them also. And if you are looking for the something for India, then obviously after epics, if you will ask me what is in India, then I will advise you go and check the IAMN website.
Yes, definitely. I was just trying to acquire some knowledge on that, but when you want to develop yourself professionally, I refer and I prefer to go for a professional body who has a continuous curriculum and rigorous development over the years. They have tried and experimented a lot, and afterwards this course
there
and
in
certification
India,
came, right?
in India, basically there is a lack of that type of body which provide that level of certification. Okay, but but why I said IIM, because I find out suitable over the supply chain. Okay, because of that I say. But apart from that, I didn't find anything. Means if you are doing something from IIM, that is different thing. But apart
Mhm.
apart from that, I didn't find anything suitable in that range. Okay,
Mhm.
means IIM is okay for me in if you are
Oh,
doing something in India.
oh, okay, okay. Definitely. I'll also start my blog now, and I'll mention all the certifications in India and
Yes,
abroad.
yeah,
And it would be a great help to keep sharing, because when you share, you get some knowledge and you pass on, then the knowledge rolls on and builds upon, and it
sure, sure,
might
sure.
help, definitely help someone out there.
Yeah.
Yes. I think I have enough questions for today. Um,
Yeah, be in touch. Like if you have anything, like means I have means I have two websites. Okay, right now that is one is epixedu.club and another is scmbooks.epix, that is on the subdomain of Epix Edu Club. So on the SCM books, you will find out all the soft copies of the reference book of CSCP. Okay,
oh, okay, great.
so you don't need to.
Maybe you can share the link,
Yeah, I will share you the link. Means when I will post, I will share you the personally on your email, or when I will post the video, then I obviously there in the description it will be.
definitely.
So yeah,
Yes.
you can download all of the books. Okay, and apart from that, I am developing right now practice test for CSCP. Okay,
Wow, great.
so yeah, means obviously that will cost something, but yeah,
Definitely.
right now, like yeah, it is still in the developing stage. Now I have to figure that out. Means I am studying a lot and doing all those things. Okay, and
Abhishek, I really appreciate, you have been in this area and you have been working and now developing test questions just to, make it available to
yes,
all of
yes,
us,
it
because
is.
availability is the key. If
Yes,
it is available, then we will get better results.
yes,
Thank
yes.
you for that. And definitely it should cost something, because if we pay, then only we value that, then only we can appreciate the hard work you have put in. So I'll be your first,
Thank you,
student to
thank you,
get that
thank you,
test.
thank you, thank you. Thanks, Amol. Yeah. So
Okay.
anything else?
No, not from me. It's good,
Okay.
and it's a nice weekend for you.
Same
Thank
to
you
you,
for
same to you, brother.
joining.
Same to you. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Take care. Bye.
Yeah.
Take
Bye.
care.